They will?
Yeah. Hi, Boo Boo. Let me kiss. Boo,
Hello,
give me a
you
kiss.
again. Are you still here?
See?
Give me a kiss, baby.
If I leave my family.
I know.
I drove.
I swear, I swear he's tall.
He terrorizes baby.
Which one's baby?
The white one.
Have you grown?
Chris. Hey, baby.
Chris, have you got taller?
Where is the white one?
I think
I don't know.
that
I guess
Oh, there's baby.
No, I mean, really.
What's this one's name?
You see,
Boo Boo.
you were
Hey,
always
Boo
taller.
Boo. Daddy's gonna get you out. Look, Daddy's getting the water.
I can take him out if he'll come.
Okay, I'll make sure they shut the door.
I can hold you. Come on, now I can hold him. Come on, Boo. Come on, Boo Boo.
I'm old. I don't know.
Come on, Booby.
I stopped
Come on,
growing when
Boo.
I was 11.
Oh, well.
Come on, Boo.
Things just
Oh,
happen.
you're not coming out there.
There's
You come out if I hold you.
Which means I was 10 years old and this is how tall I was.
But you don't want to come out.
But